We have something. Could it be a walleye?
It's a walleye.
It's a walleye.
It's a fucking big walleye.
We have our first walleye ice fishing. Pulling the drag.
Yeah. Pendejo. Fucking, it wouldn't go through.
Don't lose all your line. I caught a glimpse of it.
Yeah.
You
There's a fucking monster.
Yeah, I seen like a big belly on the thing. Wide. This. Take your time.
Come on, bitch.
Gold or pink? Can you grab it? Oh my god.
No, it's not. It's a catfish.
Oh!
What?
It's a catfish! I thought it was a walleye!
You fucker!
Fuck, let's eat it.
It's not a catfish, is it?
Yeah.
It's the fucking other thing.
Big bullhead?
Give me a fucking plier.
Nah, bring it out. Let's take a picture.